Imagine seeing with your own eyes the place that inspired the mythical Bali High from South Pacific. Well, thanks to Mondo Travel, you can do just that with a 10-night cruise around the stunning islands of Tahiti on one of the world's most distinctive cruise ships, Windstar's beautiful Windspirit. Packages for this Tahitian cruise start at just $3,199 per person, with the sale ending August 31st. And it's very much a culinary cruise, with James Beard Foundation chef Emily Luchetti and beverage expert Shelley Lindgren. You can do things like a wine-paired dinner that's hosted by the chef, and the chef can even take you on a visit of a local market. If you're into your diving, an absolute highlight will be exploring the UNESCO Biosphere Reserve that is the Fakarava ecosystem. That's home to some of the best diving in all of the South Pacific. But if diving is a little bit intimidating, you can snorkel in Rangiroa's huge lagoon, which will be just as incredible. You can see where has the better sunset. Is it Raiatea or Bora Bora? And as far as the inspiration for Bali High from South Pacific, you'll find that in Moorea. The ship itself, the Windspirit, takes just 148 guests, so in many ways will feel like your own private super yacht. You can learn how to sail while on board, and there are ocean views from all the staterooms. For more about this Tahitian cruise, visit mondotravel.co.nz or phone 0800 110 108. That's 0800 110 108.